Hi, philatelic friends. I'm Nagaraj here. I'm an amateur stamp collector and I have just become the member of the Philatelic Association of Karnataka. And after learning from them, I have started making all my collection the thematic way. Now, I did it on birds. Okay, since I do not have a frame to display everything, I have displayed everything on my table here. It almost consists of around 65 to 70 sheets of slides of bird series. So I'm alone here. I just take you to each slide and show how I have made these slides on this bird subject. Yeah. Now you can see the whole table is spread with stamps over here. Okay, I will take you from the first slide of the series. Now you can see here, this is stamps on birds. Scientific study of birds is called as ornithology, right? The first bird is an Archaeopteryx. So I had a stamp on that bird on Palasco. I have described the whole this thing and made the first slide. Like that, country-wise I have made the stamps. Look at these stamps on birds of Sri Lanka. Right. I'll just go through, I'll not just explain everything. Okay, it will take some time. Stamps on birds of Malaysia. Stamps on birds of Mauritius. I explained the national bird of which country and what they have. Okay. Stamps, birds of Fiji. You can see the Fiji stamps over here. Okay. Now, stamps of Union of Burma. Okay. Now, let us come back to right here. Stamps of Helvetia. Okay, stamps of Palaska, Poland. I have put their images of national bird of their country in the image also there. You can see the images. Stamps of Germany. You can see. Yeah. Kenya. South Africa. Okay. Now stamps on birds of Nepal. Here one or two stamps New Zealand. I had put that and I even described even if one or two stamps are there. Okay. I don't have huge collection, but some stamps are good, like Liban. You can see good stamps of Liban. Their national bird also. And then stamp birds on Dubai. Okay. Right. Stamps of Botswana. Stamps of Eye. Birds of Brazil. Lesotho. Lesotho is a country where they have got their own bird. Okay. Moluku Sultan. Selatan. Okay. Some countries have beautiful stamps of this thing. Okay. Now you can see the stamps of Zambia. There are 3-4 stamps also in one of the pouches. Since they are all joined together, I have not cut it. So I have just preserved it like that only. Zambian stamps. Okay, you can see the stamps of Singapore. Nice stamps. See, same stamp series of stamps. They're all attached together. That's why I have not cut them. I have put all the stamps together. Yeah, right. Stamps of USA, United States of America. Good stamps. Now you can see stamps of Kuwait. Their national bird, the falcon, is also there. Yeah. Now you can see stamps on birds of Ghana. Their native bird is also eagle. Stamps on birds of Japan. I don't call it as birds of Japan, I call it as stamps of birds of Japan. Okay. Bird stamps of Japan. Okay. Right. Okay. This is one side of the table. I'll go to the other side of the table. As I told, I don't have a frame, so I've made my stamps, spread my stamps whole on the table over here. Okay, now you can see some more stamps like Republic of Iraq. I've tried to explain as much as possible on some of the birds. Nigeria. Okay. Right. Stamps on birds of Australia. Okay, that's it. Now comes the important stamps of India. You can see a lot of stamps on India I have collected. Mint stamps, first day covers, special covers, and so on and so forth. I have displayed everything here. The bird of India is peacock, so I have taken the peacock picture over there, printed on the, and then put the stamps over here. There is a series of peacock bird over there. Okay, yeah. You can see all now starts birds of India only. Okay, right. Okay, now there are some miniature stamps also. I'll come back to that. So I'll start showing this from here again. Okay, see, these are all stuck together. That's why I'm not seeing same stamp. Okay, Indian bird stamps. Okay, now these are all called as the miniature stamps. You can see exotic birds of miniature stamps and individual stamps of the same. Okay. One more miniature stamp of exotic bird, all in mint condition. They are set. So there are some sets missing, so I will just put them over there. You can see vulnerable birds. I have not printed or written anything at the bottom because stamps are self-explanatory. Yeah. See, these are all the miniature sheets. One full length of sheet you can see over here. Okay, birds, series 1. We can call it as near threatened. Okay. Yeah. See, exotic birds again. same miniature sheet, and some first day covers also of the same birds. Okay, I'll show it at distance. Okay, now you can see different first day covers of the birds. Yeah, nice one. Exotic birds over here. Okay. Yeah, some more miniature stamps over here. Right. Okay. Yeah. Some more stamps. Light is there, it's slightly glaring reflection. No problem. You can see this cover so nicely done. Exotic birds miniature stamp, and these are all one single miniature strands of near threatened series, threatened bird series of India. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So this is complete one series over here. So since want of space, I had some more this thing. So these are all some other countries which what we call it as a single stamps, where not much stamps are there with me. You can see single stamps over here. Yeah. Like Bhutan, like Bahamas, Romania, all countries. Okay. Yeah. Normally what I do, I give a lens for the students to look at it for the school children. They can go to near to the stamp, and you can see that but on sorry what the zoological name, scientific name is also there. So if they are keen, they will see the scientific name of those birds. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Some of the Czechoslovakian postal stamps also I have over here. Right. That comes to the end of the series. Now you can see the whole spread on my table tennis table. Okay. When I go to school, I'll take a frame and display all the stamps vertically and start explaining to the school kids. Right. This is my beginning of thematic collections. I have made thematic collections on Children's Day. I have made thematic collections on sports. Now I have taken animals and birds. You can see. I'll go to butterflies, ships, planes, and then many more, whatever subject you call. Right? Thank you for viewing my video. If you like it, please press the button like it, and say thumbs up. Offer your comments in the YouTube column. Thank you.